To apply for normal leave, the applicant will click on the Apply for Leave button on the home page, where they'll be taken to the leave application screen. Available balances are displayed at the top, and there's also a View My Detailed Balances button that launches a table when clicked. To begin the process, the applicant will fill in their contact details while on leave. They can either capture these details or they can click on the checkbox if their details are the same as their personal details. Furthermore, the applicant can then edit any fields should they wish. The leave history window simply shows previous leave applied for. The next step would be for the applicant to fill in their application details. They will start off by selecting the leave type. Rules associated with each leave type are displayed when the applicant hovers on each leave type. The applicant will then select their start date. When this is done, the end date is automatically defaulted to the same day as the start date, assuming that the leave application is for 1 day. The user can then go on and change this date to any future date after the start date. When this is done, working days applied for are automatically calculated, taking into consideration public holidays and weekends. The recommender is automatically defaulted, however, the user can select a different recommender. If pre-approval is granted, the applicant will click on Yes on the radio buttons. They will then select the method of which the pre-approval was granted, and they will also select who granted the pre-approval. The applicant can then add any comments should they wish. Come down to the attachments window where they will add in any supporting documentation. They will then click on the Save button and this will show on the grid below. The applicant can also view the attachment they have just saved to ensure that correct documentation has been attached. The last step would be to view the disclaimer. Once this is done, the applicant will confirm this by clicking on the checkbox. The leave application is ready for submission, and then the next step would be for the applicant to click on the Submit button. A confirmation box will appear showing the reference number of the application. At this point, the application has been sent through to the recommender, and the recommender will receive an email notification to action the task.